Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a curly girl method styling video. These are the results. I'm going to show you exactly what I did and what products I used. But before we get into that, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I thought I'd just come on camera before I leave the house. I don't usually have so much of makeup on in my videos, but I'm about to leave and I'm going to show you guys exactly what products I use. This is a curly girl styling video, and as I said earlier, these are the results. My hair is just refreshed a little bit. I'm loving the results so far. The leave-in conditioner that I used is from As I Am. I really like this brand, I honestly do. And this is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. It contains coconut, amla, sugar beets. This is also the Arrange that promises beautiful coils and curls, and it also says that it's natural. This leave-in conditioner promises to keep tangles away and provide a great foundation for natural styling, and I agree with that. It also says it's created with thoughtful care for your hair. And when it comes to the application, it says apply liberally throughout the hair after shampooing or car washing gently, and then detangle your hair. So I did use this liberally. I love the consistency. I love the smell. This is really nice. My hair absolutely loves this leave-in conditioner. As you guys can see, I applied it in sections and it just glided through my hair. The styler that I used is from Flex. This is the Revlon Flex with Silk and Protein Ultra Stronghold Styling Gel, and it also says on the packaging that it is alcohol free. The directions at the back says it's a stronghold gel for a long-lasting controlled effect. It helps to moisturize, strengthen and repair the hair. The direction says apply to damp or dry hair, rub a small amount into your palms and work through your hair and style as desired. So for me, this is really small and I have a lot of hair. I've used this twice and it's about halfway. So for me, I would have to buy one of these every single month. I will put the prices and stuff in the description box down below. Now I'll just tell you a little bit more about how I feel. The gel for me does create a cast. It made my hair so hard, especially after initially air drying. What you're seeing today is day 3 hair. What I did is I washed my hair, and then I didn't leave the house that day. Yesterday I didn't leave the house either. My hair just stayed in a pineapple, and then today I'm leaving the house, so I just dropped my hair down. On day 3 the cast had disappeared all by itself, but upon air drying it was like so stiff. So this morning I didn't have a cast at all. My hair is really soft, and I know that the leave-in conditioner is really what helps with the softness and hydration. So when it comes to styling, I do like this combo, but this is really the key for me when it comes to styling gels. If I have to just think about this on its own, it really is just okay. It's not amazing. It isn't the best, because as I said, this is what really helps with the shine and the softness for me personally, because I have used them separately or with different leave-in conditioners. So this combo works really well together. Before I end this video, guys, these are the results. You can see my hair in the video. As I said, I lightly refreshed it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.